I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the essentials. Python is installed and you're in a dedicated virtual environment so packages don't conflict. Once done, launch Jupyter in the project folder so relative paths work. Next, verify the dataset location, local file versus remote URL, and note its format, CSV, JSON, Parquet. Then create a new notebook, name the file clearly, and import pandas, NumPy, and any connector libraries you'll need. That sets the stage to load data reliably. You'll load the file with the appropriate reader. Pandas. Read CSV for CSVs, read JSON for JSON, or Piero for Parquet. Make sure to specify parse dates and dtype where possible to avoid surprises. Once loaded, inspect data with head, info, describe, and sample to see nulls, types, and distribution. If the file is large, read in chunks or use Dask to parallelize. This prevents memory exhaustion. Also clean column names and set an index if it helps. You finish by cleaning and saving a reproducible dataset. Remove duplicates, convert types, fill or drop nulls, and normalize date formats. Once stable, export to CSV or Parquet and include a timestamped file name for versioning. Make sure to commit the notebook and note package versions. If something goes wrong, start by reproducing the error on a small subset, inspect the traceback, and print offending rows. This helps you find malformed lines, encoding issues, or unexpected types quickly so you can fix the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.